All right, let's make a quick Vietnamese chicken bake. So let's start with the marinade. I'm gonna put in about, what's that, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, some green onion ends, drizzle in some oil, lid on it, and butter. I don't have a lime, so I'm going to zest a lemon. And then we're going to juice the lemon. I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm gonna put in about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And maybe about like a tablespoon of fish sauce. And about a tablespoon of agave. You can do honey. I have agave, so I'm gonna use that. All right, and then blend this up. Some chicken thighs here. I'm just kind of poking the chicken to get, like, I don't know, help the marinade get into the bone. Chicken now in a Ziploc bag. And now I'm going to pour the marinade over the chicken. Marinate for at least an hour, overnight if possible. In the meantime, I did use the leftover marinade. I put it in the saucepan. I'm going to let it simmer and reduce down to use as a sauce at the end. Our sauce is at like a really good consistency right now. I'm gonna let it simmer for like maybe 2 more minutes on medium and turn off the heat. I forgot to also mention halfway through I flipped the chicken, and then I also reduced the heat down at about, like, I guess like there was like maybe like 6 minutes left of cooking time, and I reduced the temperature down to 375. All right, this is straight out of the air fryer. I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit before I cut it off the bone. These are bone-in thighs that I'm using. Here's the chicken all cut up. All right, how I would plate this. First we'll go with the rice. Next, our veggies. Okay, that's what it looks like. And then we're going to ladle the sauce. And that is my Vietnamese baked chicken. Right, and this is what my son's bowl looks like. That is so good. Awesome. My son put together his own, like, a 4-tier shelf thing. It goes in his closet for his clothes. And he did it without reading the directions. So there were some parts that he had to redo. So he's so proud that he got it together and he didn't give up. So, I mean, seriously, this is so good. There it is. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.